Hey everyone, I have a hide to review today, really unique one. This is the OA imported raw python. This is a 1 to 2 ounce in weight and is soft and supple. However, I would say that the temper is on the regular side due to it being a 1 to 2 ounce in weight, being that thin leather. So with python in the name, this is a hair sheep hide. So you're looking at about an 8 square foot piece of sheep hide here, and they've actually embossed the python print on top of it. So it does have the scaly feel to it, very, very professionally finished here. Very nice top side. It is not waxy or oily. It is shiny and smooth and consistent, as you can see. And smooth being, it's very consistently scaly over the top side. Really interesting, actually. It does feel like real scales. And with the flesh side, you have a flawless finished flesh side as well. So this is going to lend to some very, very unique, nice projects. So if you have questions, reach out. We'll talk to you in a bit.